In addition to the classic options for resizing, cropping, retouching, etc., we have hundreds of filters to apply. If you like to use Instagram on your smartphone because of the filters it brings, this editor that you are going to love. If you still want more, they have a paid subscription service in case we want to have more filters. Apache. It proposes options that other editors don't have. The web, when loading an image, presents us with a series of tabs that add many functionalities. We'll have effects like in BeFunky, but perhaps the most interesting part is its editor, since it brings us brushes, working layers, and vector shapes. It is very similar to Photoshop in terms of work philosophy. PicMonkey. PicMonkey is an online photo editor that captivates more users every day. It offers a variety of filters, Instagram style, and editing resources. It already has its official extension for Google Chrome, which will allow you to capture any image to edit it instantly without having to download it to the computer. Photo. Photo resize images, remove backgrounds from images, adds photo filters, adds text to photos, etc. and process your photos for a perfect look. It also offers well-designed graphic design templates to generate YouTube thumbnails, Facebook covers, and much more in just a few minutes to attract attention and double the interaction.